Hey everybody, Duck Number 8 Winroy here. We got another package. Looks like it came from Belleville. It looks like the shape of another DVD as well. I also have my checklist off here. That means we can check another thing off the list. So without further ado, let's open the package to see what it is. Open the bottom of it out. Let's pull it out. Oh, I think I can see what it could be. It looks like it's comes to breakfast. Aha! Here it is. It is Thomas Comes to Breakfast. It's sealed though. I have to undo the sealing. And I have to remove the security tape. I'm gonna take the security tape off the top though. Hold on. Aha! Security tape and shrink wrap are off. There's the front. Thomas Comes to Breakfast. This picture makes no sense at all because this is a picture of Trust Thomas from Season 3, and that is not on this release. Not to mention, there are no Season 3 episodes on here. Also, another thing, though, I like this cover of this picture of Thomas better than the one on the VHS because that has a picture of Henry for some reason. So anyways, there's the front. There's the spine, if you can see it. Spine, Thomas Comes to Breakfast. Got the back. And I'm going to show you the disc. Oh, it even comes with a pamphlet. I'm going to show the pamphlet first. This is a first release then. Hold on. Nice. This is what the inside looks like. And the back, we got the ones that I have are Thomas and the Really Brave Engines, Percy Saves the Day, Hooray for Thomas, Thomas and the Jet Engine, Thomas's Snowy Surprise, New Friends for Thomas, James Learns a Lesson, Thomas and his friends get along, and Thomas and his friends help out. With that, we're gonna stick the pamphlet back into the DVD case, and there's the disc as well. And we're gonna cross Trust Thomas off the list. So I'm gonna get my pen, and I'm gonna not Trust Thomas. Thomas Comes to Breakfast off the list. 2006. And we're crossing off Thomas Comes to Breakfast. There. Another DVD of 2006 gone. So that means the only ones we need left are Thomas Gets Bumped, Sing Along and Stories, and Thomas, Percy and the Dragon. Anyways, thank you for watching this video about me unboxing Thomas Comes to Breakfast. Bye!